Welcome to Great Garden, so that your garden is always filled with blooming flowers, showing off their beauty through all 4 seasons. In today's video, I'll share an orchid care method that goes against old habits. Very gentle, very simple, yet effective in keeping your plants healthy and stable for the long term. No expensive fertilizers needed. Just follow a few simple steps, and your orchids will recover on their own. Strong, plump white roots. Thick, glossy green leaves. Flower spikes rise naturally, with blooms that open evenly, keep their color, and last a long time. If you've ever cared for orchids only to see them grow weaker the more you tried, this video is for you. Let's get started. Is there any banana in your kitchen cupboard? Bananas are not only good for human health, but they are also a very useful natural source of nutrients for plants. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After eating bananas, don't rush to throw the peels into the trash. Banana peels are rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium, and other trace minerals, which help improve root health and stimulate orchid flowering. To make this organic fertilizer, first cut the banana peels into small pieces. Cutting them into smaller pieces helps the peels decompose more easily and release nutrients into the water faster, allowing the plant to absorb potassium and minerals more effectively, which supports flowering and healthy growth. Next, put all the chopped banana peels into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water to the chopped banana peels. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. At the same time, I use lime as the next ingredient. Lime is very easy to find and especially useful in orchid care, particularly when the plant has soft leaves, rot, or is prone to fungal infections. First, I will cut off the lime peel. Lime peel contains a high amount of vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and mild antibacterial compounds, which help clean the environment around the plant while providing essential micronutrients for growth. Don't throw away the lime flesh yet. We'll use it in the next step. After peeling, I continue to cut the lime peel into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps the nutrients in the lime peel dissolve more easily into the water, increasing the effectiveness of the care solution and allowing the orchids to absorb nutrients better and grow more steadily. Next, put all the chopped lime peels into a clean glass cup. Add 300 milliliters of hot water to the lime peels to help the extracts and nutrients dissolve quickly into the water, preparing the solution for the next step. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for 30 minutes. Next, I take the peeled lime and cut it in half. Then, I squeeze out the juice. Lime juice is a natural solution that helps inhibit bacteria, reduce fungal diseases, and support better nutrient absorption for the plant. Once the lime peel solution has cooled, I pour it together with the lime juice. Next, gently stir the mixture evenly so the two solutions fully combine, creating a uniform blend that is ready to be used for the next plant care steps. Finally, strain out the solids and keep only the clear liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. Method 1. First, pour the diluted turmeric powder solution into a small cup, as shown in the video. Then, soak a soft cloth in the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. The extract from lime peel has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to remove dust, mineral residue, and harmful microorganisms from the leaf surface. When the leaves are clean, the stomata become more open, allowing photosynthesis to work more efficiently, resulting in greener, healthier, and glossier leaves. Wiping both sides of the leaves also helps reduce pests and diseases, supporting stable plant growth and promoting long-lasting, naturally beautiful blooms. After 1 hour, take out the banana peel solution, stir it well, and strain out the solids. Next, I mix the lime juice prepared earlier into the banana peel solution. Straining is very important because it makes the solution clearer and cleaner, helps prevent clogging the spray bottle, and reduces residue buildup on the leaves and roots. Add 0.5 liters of room temperature water to dilute the solution. With that, the liquid fertilizer for my orchids is ready. Method 2. Before applying the fertilizer solution to the base of the plant, I always rinse the orchid with clean water first. This is a very important step in orchid care because when the plant is dry, the root system behaves like a stiff, dry sponge. If fertilizer is applied at this stage, the plant can easily go into shock as the roots are not yet ready to adapt and absorb the nutrients. When fertilizer is applied directly to dry roots, mineral salts can irritate the root tips, leading to root burn, root rot, and even causing the plant to weaken or gradually die. Common signs include slow growth, yellowing leaves, and loss of vitality. Watering beforehand helps evenly moisten the growing medium, such as moss or pine bark, allowing the roots to soften and become ready to absorb nutrients. When the orchid roots turn green, it means the plant has enough moisture and is ready to receive fertilizer. At this point, adding the banana peel solution will bring clear benefits to the plant's growth. Calcium and magnesium found in banana peels help strengthen the structure of root cells, making the roots healthier, thicker, and more stable in their function. As a result, the root system absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently, creating a strong foundation for long-term plant growth. In addition, potassium is a key element that promotes bud formation, helping the plant bloom evenly with larger flowers, brighter colors, and longer-lasting blooms after each care cycle. The balanced combination of these nutrients helps orchids develop comprehensively: strong roots, lush green leaves, and readiness to enter a stable and beautiful flowering stage. Method 3. Next, pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire orchid plant. The extract from lime peel is rich in natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds and also provides beneficial micronutrients. This helps strengthen the plant's resistance, limit pathogens, and support stable growth. Spraying evenly also helps prevent and improve common issues on the leaves and stems. Results after 30 days. The orchid leaves gradually turn a deeper green, becoming noticeably thicker and glossier. New young leaves grow firm and full of vitality, helping the plant photosynthesize efficiently and strongly support new shoot development. The root system shows very positive changes. Many new plump, white roots continuously form, with fresh green root tips that firmly attach to the growing medium. As a result, the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients is clearly improved, making the whole plant sturdier and more vigorous. Flower buds and flower spikes develop evenly and strongly, showing that the plant has stabilized and is ready to enter the blooming stage. Buds appear in greater numbers and are round and full. When they bloom, the flowers display bright colors, last longer, and open successively, creating a vibrant orchid pot full of life for many weeks. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using lime? Have you ever tried this method on your own orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I'd really love to hear stories from your garden. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with lasting vitality and pure beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next video on Great Garden.